Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Crochet Shop by Nanno in the new season. In this tutorial, I will make a beautiful tea coaster. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to crochet beautiful easy patterns, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. First, you need your selected medium yarn. I will use Yarn Art Turkish yarn. Suitable crochet hook, I will use 5mm crochet hook. Scissors, yarn needle and measuring tape. First, make a slip knot, then chain multiples of 2 plus 3. In this tutorial, I will make 16 chain stitch plus 3. You can add chain stitches as you like according to your selected size. After you finished your chain stitches, now after you finished your stitches, skip 2 chain stitches from the hook, yarn over. In the third one, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. Now you have 3. Pull the last one from 1 like this. Now you have 2 loops, yarn over again, insert your hook in the same stitch, yarn over and pull through. Now you have 4 loops on the hook. Pull the last one from all. Now you finish the first bamboo stitch, chain 1, yarn over, skip 1 chain stitch. In the next one, insert your hook and yarn over and pull through, then pull through 1 loop, then yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over again and pull through. Now you have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over the last loop from all loops on the hook, then chain 1. Repeat this, yarn over, skip 1 stitch. In the next one, insert your hook and yarn over and pull through, then pull through 1, then yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, yarn over and pull through, then pull through the last one from all, then chain 1. Repeat this to finish the first row. For this stitch tutorial, you can find it at the Scarf for Men tutorial. All links in the description box below. Repeat this to finish this row. After you finish in the last, you will find 2 chain stitches. Keep 1 in the last one. Repeat the bamboo stitch. Now you finish the first row, chain 2 to make the next row. Then turn your work, yarn over and in the first chain space repeat the bamboo stitch. Repeat this chain 1, then in the next chain space make 1 bamboo stitch, then chain 1. Repeat this to finish this row. This is the basic row. After you finish this row, in the last chain 2 space, make 1 bamboo stitch. Now you finish the second row, chain 2, turn your work and repeat the row number 2 and repeat this row to your selected size. After you finish this row, repeat as you work. In the last chain 2 space, make 1 bamboo stitch. Repeat this row to your selected size. In this tutorial I made 13 rows. You can add rows as you like for your selected size. Now finish the last row, then cut the yarn and weaving ends to fasten off. Then place your work with your hand to make it more flat like this. Then optional add French. Cut 6 inches piece of yarn to make Frenches. Then fold it in half. Make 5 pieces for every French. 8 French in every space, like this. Insert your hook from the back in every space. Repeat this in the opposite side. After I finished, I like to reduce the French length, so I will cut and trim the Frenches like this, fold it to make all sides together. Now your coaster is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like it, give me big thumbs up to see more. See you. Bye bye.